Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm reviewing the viral cottage cheese ice cream. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is one container of cottage cheese. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add some strawberries to it, but if you don't have strawberry, you can add banana or whatever fruit you want. To sweeten it, I'm going to add some agave. Again, if you don't have agave, you can use maple syrup. Some people use honey. You can use whatever sweetener you want in there. I'm going to pulse this a little bit and then blend it. And you just want to blend it until it's smooth. This recipe is very popular on TikTok. Oh my gosh, every time I open TikTok, this recipe is on my screen. And you know me, I'm not one to jump on trends. I don't follow trends. But I was like, I like cottage cheese. Well, in fact, I love cottage cheese. I thought this must be good. I mean, people kept talking like it's so good. So I had to try it. A while back, I made an egg bites video using cottage cheese and that was really good. So I thought this must be something, so I'm gonna try it. As you can see, the texture is so smooth and the color is so pretty. I mean, it looks like ice cream already. Now, if you just wanted a quick little dessert, you can eat this just like this. You don't even have to freeze it. But I mean, what's the point, right? We're making ice cream, so I gotta freeze it. So I'm going to freeze this for 5 hours. And 5 hours is the sweet spot. Don't go over 5 hours, otherwise it's going to turn into ice. And not only turn into ice, but turn into a rock. It will be really hard. I'm going to top it off with some extra strawberries. And I'm going to add 2 graham crackers. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I think this adds to it. It makes it taste kind of like a strawberry cheesecake. I'm just going to give everything a stir and then I'm going to cover it and freeze it. If you've tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below. What do you think of it? Do you think it's all the rage? Do you think people are exaggerating? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, this is what it looks like after 5 hours, and I have to say it looks like ice cream. Now when it comes to the taste, I wouldn't say this is ice cream. I don't know why people say, oh my gosh, it tastes like ice cream. No, it does not taste like ice cream. And I would know because I'm an ice cream connoisseur, so I know about ice cream. I've eaten enough ice cream to tell you. But it doesn't taste like ice cream. It tasted more like yogurt. I wouldn't say it's healthier than ice cream because by the time you put all your add-ins in there, it's gonna add up, you know, it's not healthy anymore. I mean, yes, you get more protein, but then if you have to add graham crackers and all that sweetener and everything, you know, calories wise, I wouldn't say. Would I make this again? I would say no because it didn't taste like ice cream. If I wanted homemade ice cream, I can just make my own. I have two recipes up. I have a vanilla ice cream and a strawberry ice cream, and I really love those. So if you're interested in them, I'm going to leave a link below for you. But yeah, I would either make it or buy some. And you know me, you know how my brain works. I thought, you know what would be really good on this? I think some tahini. Just because it's so tart, I think some tahini would be good on it. I don't know. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but I think that would be good. And who knows, maybe even some chamoy. Well, I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.